project. Don't trick us to do something. Just let us do what we want to do. Just look the other way. Don't worry about it. We got it. We'll see you at Bilderberg when we get the money. Or we need to give a report on what we're doing with the Luciferian doctrine. Guys, top three. I got 7 more to go. We're going to keep them in about 15-minute segments. I think it's important that we talk about this. It's a heads up. Be safe. May the 8th, 2017. We're looking at images of the North American continent. This map shows the Laurentide ice sheet lines. Then they started to do a little more work and get a little 700,000 years. But we know that there was impacts 12,900 years ago, at least that time. And some of the dating, dispersion of the soil that from the impact, and it matches the topo at Saginaw. Think about it in there and realize what you're dealing with. And here's, you got 2 different images. But these impacts they came in from different angles. There's 500,000 of these on the Atlantic point. For so many years, scientists argued that these were started getting aerial photography just in this decade, in this century. They never knew these existed. But some of the lines that you see down there are roads and farms or craters, and they trace back the angles, and it's all set straight up to where you was at that time. As that came in, it hit that ice pack again in all these different directions. It threw that ice out, killed the last of the woolly mammoths. Major extinction of the bays that were 10 kilometers long, some of these impact points, that it ended the Pleistocene era, commonly known as the Ice Age, and that actually went 2,588,000 years ago. At 12,900 years ago, they say there was 1,300 years after that of cooling further south into. Imagine that. It says it resulted in temporary sea level drops of 100 meters or 300 feet as the cold air condensed into this ice. It pulled that moisture out of the oceans. What happened when all of this broke apart? They rose again.